What's going on? Today we're going to be making some sushi. We're going to learn how to make 3 different kinds. Let's get into it.
Begin with making sushi rice. Measure out 2 cups sushi rice and wash until the water is completely clear. Next, place your sushi rice in a sauce pot and cover with 2 cups of water. Bring this to a boil, then cover and reduce to a simmer. After 15 minutes, remove from the heat, but leave it covered. You want to leave this covered for at least 10 minutes. While your rice is cooking, we're going to create a rice seasoning. This is going to be a combination of rice vinegar, honey, and salt. Heat your seasoning over medium to low heat until the honey is dissolved. Do not boil. Carefully fold the seasoning into the rice, being careful to not smush your beautiful grains. Use this method that I'm doing to carefully cut and fold the rice onto itself. Place a damp towel over your rice and set aside to chill. Now it's time to cut your veggies. Watch me epically fail using this tool and switch to a knife. You can use any kind of vegetables that you like for this. After you have your veggies cut, we're going to mix our shrimp tempura batter. Mix together the ingredients on the screen and then add 1 teaspoon each of kosher salt and paprika. Mix together your batter with a mini whisk, and make sure there are no lumps. Once you ensure that there are no lumps in your batter, we're going to start battering. Use 1 hand for the wet batter and 1 hand for your dry batter so you don't make them clump together. We'll be cooking our shrimp in the air fryer at 375 until golden brown. You can also deep fry these in oil. It's time to roll. Lightly wet your hands to keep the rice from sticking. When you place the rice on your nori, leave an inch of space on all sides. First roll we're creating is the spicy shrimp tempura. We're going to top our roll with our shrimp tempura, some avocado, and some spicy mayo. Keep your bamboo mat tight to your nori and roll just as I show here. You can use some plastic wrap like I did to keep everything from spilling out. Slice your sushi with a very sharp knife. I used a serrated bread knife here to make sure I got even cuts. We're topping this roll with some spicy chili oil crisp to add some heat. And make sure to give her a taste. That is spicy shrimp tempura. Next roll we're doing is smoked salmon. Follow the same steps as before, leaving some space on your nori. Make sure you wet your hands for your rice. And we're going to top this with smoked salmon, cucumber, and some avocado. You may also add some cream cheese to this, but personally, that's heresy. And the final roll today is the veggie roll. Now, as I stated earlier, you can use any kind of vegetables you want. Today I'm using snow peas, carrots, cucumber, and avocado. We're also going to top this with a little bit of our spicy mayo. And before you ask, spicy mayo is just mayo and sriracha mixed together.
that is how you make homemade sushi. Make sure to like and subscribe to see more recipes from me.